Hey guys, we got a new kit to unbox. This is my very first hasegawa Porsche 962C in 124 scale. Let's take a look. Here's our body, all one piece. Here's our instructions. It looks like a very simple kit to do. Not a lot to it. Here are glass, our door windows. Here's our rims. Here's another set of rims. Here's our decals. They're not in the best shape, but hopefully they'll work. Here's our front tires, our back tires. Our wheel backs. Our interior pieces. Our wipers, steering wheel, rear spoiler. More wheel backs. Looks like the decals for our tires. Here's our chassis. Our dashboard. Looks like a really simple kit to put together. I think these are for our rims. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole kit. Hoping I can save these decals, but I don't know. They're pretty rough. But I like that the body is only one piece. Yeah, so let's see what the date is on it. 1989 Hasegawa. Yeah, should be a fun kit to build. And I'll just show you. I've got the fairing drying on the motorcycle. That's all I got left to do. When that's done, put the windshield on and decal it, and I'll be done. And I can start on something new. Other than that, you guys all have a good one. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Hit the like button. And if you leave a comment, great.